Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing a little DIY on our Christmas ornaments because every time I post pictures on Instagram or in my Instagram stories, people always comment on my tree if my tree is anywhere in the picture. And I looked online to see how much it costs to buy this. And they're about $10, and realistically everything came from the Dollar Tree, so to make one full ornament it costs just a little bit over $1. You buy a pack of these small ornaments. I think it's 5 in a pack for $1. One large ornament is $1, and a pack of bows $1. What you're going to need other than those things is a drill. I tried a knife, but that would have taken forever. So the small ornaments have a metal thing on the top. You pop that off the small ornament and then you start drilling. You drill a little bit and see if you can just pop it in. And if you need to, you drill a little more and then you can pop it in. My kids have recently started touching, well, the girls have started touching the tree and they've broken a few of the ornaments. So if you have kids that are going to touch the tree, I would hot glue the ears onto the top. That's what I plan on doing when I go back downstairs. And then just hot glue the bow right there and you have a Minnie. I've done it with red on red, red and silver, silver and silver. So you can do different combinations. I've done it without the bow, so it's just like Mickey Mouse, but really quick, really cheap. You definitely shouldn't spend $10 on it because it does not cost $10. And it looks really good on our tree. Like, it looks amazing. I'll try to put a picture of our tree here somewhere, and let me know how it goes when you make it because they look so cute. Perfect for the tree. Anyway, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things.